Okay, okay, student, you see please this picture. I hope it might be more clear to you people. This picture, इसमें देखो आपके पास ध्यान से क्या है. This is the first arrangement that already I told you. Now you see please this arrangement. What I have done there or what I am going to do over there. देखो ये, this is the yellow color sphere. ये first है आपके पास. These all the sphere I have put on the void B. कहाँ पर रखे हैं मैंने? I have put it on the void B. Yes or no? कहाँ पर है ये मेरे पास sphere? I have put it on the void B. void B के ऊपर मैंने sphere रखे हैं बेटा. ठीक है, I will show you over here also. देखो कैसे किए हैं मैंने. You please see it very very carefully. See, previously also I have made the spheres like this way, and next spheres are in between the voids like that only. Yes or no? अब देखो ध्यान से मैंने क्या किया. As already I told you कि we are putting the sphere only and only in the downside voids. इसमें रखा है हमने downside void. मीन एक ये वाली void downside है, यहाँ पर sphere आ गया. ये वाली void downside है, यहाँ पर sphere आ गया. यहाँ पर sphere आ गया, यहाँ ऐसे sphere. And this is that arrangement only. ये वाला जो arrangement है हमारे पास, तो what the arrangement I have given to you in the picture, it is that arrangement only. कौन सा arrangement है वो? It is that arrangement only. Okay. तो then what to do there बेटा, क्या बनेगा हमारे पास? तो it becomes second layer. तो मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, फर्स्ट लेयर जो है हमारे पास इसकी, ये जो कलर है, दिस वन, दिस इज द फर्स्ट लेयर. जो येलो कलर के स्फीयर हैं इसके ऊपर, जिनको मैंने ये इस कलर के साथ किया है, ये वाला कलर, दिस इज लेयर बी. नाउ व्हेन आई एम प्लेसिंग लेयर ए ओवर, व्हेन आई एम प्लेसिंग लेयर बी ओवर द लेयर ए, then new type of voids are forming over there. What we are getting, new type of voids are forming over there. Carefully all of you, what I am going to draw there, I am drawing the sphere little bit larger, that so that it will be visible to you in the proper way. Then what to do there, one sphere, second sphere, third sphere, it is the fourth sphere. Okay, then downside also I am making the next spheres in between, next sphere, then after that this sphere and this sphere. Just I am going to join these sphere. Okay, you can make this proper shape also by your own. अब clear है बेटा. And already I told you I am going to put the sphere on the downside void. ठीक है, किस पे रख रहा हूँ? नीचे वाली voids के ऊपर मैंने sphere रखने शुरू कर दिए, येलो कलर sphere. ये देखो, yes or no, ये वाली, अब ये वाली, ये नीचे वाली है. Yes, I hope you are getting my point. मेरा point सभी को समझ आया? What I have done there, I will make you more clear. Let it be, I will make them a black, more visible to you. देखो ध्यान से, ये ब्लैक कलर के स्फीयर मैं voids के ऊपर रख रहा हूँ. इसको मैंने ब्लैक कर दिया. येलो आपको विजिबल नहीं था प्रॉपर में. ये लो, black color, this is the black color sphere. What I am putting it over there, then what will happen there, then this is there. You please see all of you, ये वाला जो कलर है मेरे पास फर्स्ट कलर था, दिस इज लेयर ए, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, ए. और ये वाला जो ब्लैक कलर स्फीयर है, दिस इज लेयर बी. ठीक है, हमने इन स्फीयर्स को रख दिया. एंड व्हेन वी आर पुटिंग दिस स्फीयर ओवर देयर, देन वी आर गेटिंग अ न्यू voids. What we are getting there, we are getting the new voids. अब बेटा ध्यान से देखना, क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको, देन वी आर गेटिंग द न्यू voids. सी, please see here, this is new void which is called C, and this is one new void, this is called D. Okay, one new void I am getting, this is void C and this is void D. Now first of all I am going to explain you void C. Please see, मैंने इसके ऊपर कलर ग्रीन कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको क्लियर समझ लग जाए. ग्रीन कलर के 3 स्फीयर ले रहा हूँ मैं. प्लीज सी, 1 2 एंड डाउन साइड 1 मोर इज देयर. यस. अब इसमें मैंने नाम कौन सा दिया है इसको, void C. ये जो void C है, 3 ग्रीन स्फीयर इज अप साइड एंड एक देखो नीचे वाला स्फीयर ही बनाता हूँ मैं, ये वाला देखो, सी ये वाला स्फीयर. टोटल 4 स्फीयर इज देयर. द void इज बिटवीन द 4 स्फीयर्स. क्लियर. दिस इज void D and this is void C, and this C void is called tetrahedral void. This is called tetrahedral void. Same way students, I'm going to show you next void जो हमने D void बनाई है. कौन सी बनाई है void? D void. Please see it very very carefully. अब आपने सभी ने ध्यान से देखना है. For the D void, what I am going to do over there. ठीक है. For the void D, please see. All of you, I'm choosing a different color I am choosing there. Suppose blue color. अब ध्यान से देखना. See, this is one blue color, another one blue color. Are you okay? Yes or no? This is another one blue color. Okay. Then after that, see, this is one the blue color, this is one blue color, and downside is also there one blue color, and between them what void is there, that is called void D, and around it 6 spheres are there. That is why it is called octahedral void. What do you call it? Octahedral void. Now I am going to explain you one by one. I will make it in easy way. What I am going to do, I am going to make it in easy way. You see, when you have drawn there tetrahedral void, क्या ड्रॉ किया आपने? टेट्राहेड्रल void. कैसे बनी वो देखो इधर, 1 2 then 3 upside 4. How many spheres are there? 4 spheres are there. There only I have written the C. Now this void C is between the 4 sphere, okay, that is why it is called tetrahedral void. Okay beta, what do you call it? Tetrahedral void. Same way, when I am going to draw the octahedral void, to please see which void is there, octahedral void. You see it very carefully. See all of you. 1 2 then 3 spheres are there. Let it be, I am drawing with a different color. 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and see in between what void is here. This is called octahedral void. What do you call it? Yes, you may call it octahedral void. समझ लगी मेरी बात? क्या बोलोगे उनके आप? Octahedral void, because this void is coming between the 6 spheres. Where it is coming? Yeah, it is coming between the 6 spheres. That is why it is called octahedral void. What do you call it? Octahedral void. Clear? So means now all of you see there. Now what we have to do, we have to see there now 2 parts further. 2 parts में क्या करना है? Now for in the first part, now we are going to discuss if we will put sphere, if we will put spheres on void C, and the B part, if we will put sphere ऑन void D। तो हमने अब फर्दर करना है, वी हैव टू पुट द void, वी हैव टू पुट द spheres on void C and on void D। Okay, that only we have to see one by one what is going to happening over there। Okay student, you see this diagram again। now this is the void C। कौन सी void है आपके पास? void कौन सी है? void is C। बेटा जी, if you are going to put the sphere on the void C, on the void C, then you will get a same arrangement। what you will get? Same arrangement as it is arrangement in the first layer। means when first of all A layer, second is B layer on which C void is here। if you will put sphere on void C, then again you will get layer A। am I right? again you will get the layer A, then again B। so this is called AB 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 type arrangement in 3D, in the 3D। okay, or it is also called hexagonal close packing। what do you call it? hexagonal close packing arrangement of spheres in 3D। what do you call it? hexagonal close packing arrangement in the 3D। okay beta, I am going to show you its 3D representation। okay, what I am going to show you? I am going to show you its 3D representation। you please see, all of you, when we are, you please see 3D representation of this tetrahedral void। you please see, let it be, this is layer A, this is a layer A, and this is layer B, this is layer A। you can see there now beta, A layer, B layer, after that again we are repeating the layer A। and why it is called hexagonal arrangement, HCP arrangement? and when we are seeing their arrangement, okay, when we are seeing their arrangement, in actually they are forming the hexagonal like that way। okay, because what we are getting a hexagonal arrangement। okay beta, and these type of arrangement usually given by the metals like magnesium, Mg, and zinc, etc। okay, these type of metals can give this type of arrangement। I hope you all are getting my point। okay students, then after that beta, okay student, now we are reaching towards the point B। in the point B, what I told you, we have to cover the octahedral voids, means void D we have to cover। see beta, all of you see there very carefully। okay, you see where I have put the green dot, this is the void D। if I am going to put the sphere over this void, what I am getting, what I will get over there? Beta, I will get a new layer। what I will get? I will get a new layer of the spheres। so now arrangement will be A, B, C। after that if you will put the sphere, again A will come, A, B, C। clear? A, B, C type arrangement will be there। what will be there? A, B, C type arrangement will be there। A, B, C type arrangement will be there। is that clear to you? why A, B, C is there? because now in this case, if we are putting the sphere on void D, this is the void D, then we are getting a new sphere, new layer of the sphere, and that is called layer C। that is why it is called ABC type of arrangement। what we call it? ABC type of arrangement। clear? okay, thank you very much।